You come for a shrimp po' boy? I tell you, they're gonna be delicious. Look at the shrimp.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy.
And I'm Kate.
And we just made it to north of Austin, Texas, where we are lakeside and enjoying this beautiful day. But I will say we are already missing Louisiana a little bit. We thoroughly enjoyed our time there.
Yeah, but it did rain quite a bit while we were there, so we didn't get to do quite as much as we would have liked to.
But we were able to squeeze in 2 Mardi Gras parades, which was our first time. And believe it or not, we found some family-friendly ones.
Yes, they were during the day. One was actually boats and it was on the water, so we got to see a bunch of boats go by.
I got 44 beads.
Yeah.
Got so
Yeah,
many
there were
beads.
so many beads. There were so many cool throws. And like you said, we got a lot of rain. We didn't quite get our fulfillment of the cuisine there.
Yeah, so even though we are in Texas, we couldn't leave Louisiana without doing one more Cajun dish.
So today we are making shrimp po' boys.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone. All right, to get us started, Cade and Christy are going to pull the tails off of our shrimp so that we can get those battered and ready to fry. I've already got oil heating up on the griddle because we're going to use that to fry our shrimp.
So you're gonna grab one and you're gonna kind of pinch it. So you're gonna squeeze it and twist gently. You wanna pull the meat out and the tail off.
How do I do that?
Take the top and the bottom, like this. Okay. Squeeze down and twist out.
Pull the tail off. There you go.
There you go.
Perfect.
Next, we're going to use Blackstone's Cajun seasoning on the shrimp.
That's right. All right, you want to do it? Okay. Okay, go ahead and stir it up. Oop, last one. Good job. I'm going to keep them in as best you can. All right, let's pour more in. Good job, kiddo. Next, we're going to work on our dry mix, which is going to be 1.5 cups of flour. You want to pour it in?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, go ahead and pour that in as low as you can. Good job. Then we have 1 cup of our cornmeal. Go ahead and pour that in. Next, we're gonna add the rest of our Blackstone
The whole
Cajun
thing?
seasoning, the whole thing. There we go, kiddo. Go ahead and take this spoon and
Okay.
mix it up.
Slow.
Nice and slow, keep it low.
Nice and slow. Keep it low.
Now that our dry mix is ready, we're just gonna pour a little bit of buttermilk.
Buttermilk.
We're gonna pour a little bit of buttermilk into a bowl and then get our assembly line going, where we will dip our shrimp in the buttermilk first, then our dry mixture, and then set them aside until we have them all dipped and coated. Shrimp.
Okay.
Dip in the milk.
Okay.
Then it goes in our dry mix,
Okay. Okay.
and then right on in the bowl. What'd you think? Was that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fun. All right, now we're gonna make our remoulade sauce. Remoulade?
Like remoulade.
Remoulade, our remoulade. Our base of that is going to be mayo, mayonnaise, the real deal. We've got some Creole mustard. Let's squeeze that in there. Now, the hot sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, go ahead, get that in there.
All of it?
Oh, no. Do 2 teaspoons of our minced garlic. And then the last part, we are gonna just do a squeeze of our lemon. All right, all your muscles, all your might. With everything you got, squeeze. All right, will you take that spoon and stir it up?
Yep.
All right, now that our oil is up to temperature, I've got it at about 350 degrees. It's time to get the shrimp frying.
Why is it bubbling?
Because that's how hot it is. It's gonna fry the shrimp.
Whoa. Is it going shadow?
While the shrimp are frying, I'm going to slice up some of the tomato and get that ready for our sandwiches. Got some nice fresh beef steak tomatoes here.
Because I am turning 6. I'm turning 6
And lastly, our last ingredients is going to be some shredded iceberg lettuce.
Iceberg?
Iceberg lettuce.
What?
So I'm just going to pull a few leaves off here.
Can I help?
Yeah. Does it look good?
Yep.
Not good. All right, now that the shrimp are done, we can get our bread cut up and get ready to build our sandwich. We've got a nice loaf of French bread here. A huge loaf of French bread.
Yeah, that's much.
So these are gonna be some monster po' boys. So the first thing for our sandwich is to slather on some of this remoulade sauce. I'm gonna layer on some tomato. Plenty of iceberg lettuce.
Yeah.
Now for piece de resistance. We're just gonna start piling the shrimp on.
Oh my gosh. This is gonna be delicious. I've always wanted to try a sandwich like this. Hey, Dad, how many?
Is it healthier if you fry it yourself?
Sure.
Poop.
I'm gonna drizzle a little
I was
sauce on
thinking
top.
the same thing.
Alright, I'm not entirely sure how we're gonna eat this, but
Especially me, one-handed.
Just dig in.
Alright.
Just dig in, guys. Who's gonna have a bite of whose?
alright, you take that bite right there.
That one?
Yep. 'Cause-
I can't.
You're gonna smush. Jumbo po' boys is what we're working with here.
Alright, just bite.
We're just
bite.
trying to figure out how to get in here.
That is so good.
That's so good. You were right about that.
I mean, the sandwich is just way too big.
Yeah.
But I want another
The flavors are awesome. The shrimp is crispy and spicy. The sauce is cool. The lettuce is cool and crunchy. It's fantastic. The
It's
bread is
really good.
soft and pillowy. Thank you guys for watching. We always appreciate it. Make sure you check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone, griddles, accessories, and more. Make sure you subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from all the great cooks.
Nate, CJ, Todd, Betty, Bruce, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious coming to you from Texas, and we will see you down the road.